Governor of Oyo State has assured of his support towards the successful hosting of the 26th edition of the Nigerian University Games Association Nuga to be hosted by the University of Lagos. The disclosure was made while receiving the Nuga Touch of Unity from the Vice Chancellor of the University of Lagos, Professor Oluwatoyin Ogundipe, FAS, and other top officials of the university at his Agodi office in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. The engineering graduate of the institution acknowledged the university's continued stride in several key areas of academic excellence in its pursuit to continue to be a top-class institution of Ireland in character and service to humanity. He said he is well aware of the readiness of the University of Lagos to host other students and participants across Nigeria as part of efforts to boost a sporting resume and build a better nation through sport. He, however, asserted of his commitment to ensuring that the university puts up a good inter-tertiary sport fiesta to support government in unearthing and developing national stars. Professor Ogundipe, in his remark, re-echoed his administration's commitment to provide the right environment for sports, which he says remains a rallying point for the country and must be sustained. He averred that the university has support from various organizations and its alumnus through its designed P3P strategy towards a successful Nuga 2022 hosting. He informed that the torch for the inter-tertiary university games would move across the country. The first, he says, was presented to Nigeria's Minister of Youth and Sports Development, Mr. Sunday Dare, on Friday, November 26, 2021, during the launching of the Nuga 2022 theme song at a colorful ceremony at the university. Few days later, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu was also visited with a touch. Days later, Professor Ogundipe says the Unity Touch will be visiting the Akwa Ibom State Governor, Mr. Udom Emmanuel in Uyo, as well as immediate past Governor of Gombe State, Mr. Ibrahim Dakwambo, who will be receiving the Touch of Unity on Wednesday, February 9, 2022 in Abuja. In a related development, the Nuga 2022 Unity Touch was at the University of Ibadan, where it was received by the acting Vice Chancellor of the Citadel of Learning, Professor Ezekiel Ayola, and other senior top officials of the university. Over the years, Nigeria has continued to be at the forefront of making global sporting progress. Although football remains closest to the national art, the country can only be proud of achievements across other wide range of activities from other sports. This sporting glory cannot be separated from the creation of several inter-tertiary sports scattered around the country. This wonder why the University of Lagos is ensuring and creating a platform to support and build a peaceful and a better world by educating youth through sports, practice without discrimination of any kind, and in the Olympic spirit. Bayo Salau, Unilag Television News.